Hi to everyone. Today I'm going to show you example of tour guide system hiring, and we've got a group of 45 people and they have 2 days, and one of the day is the touring with one tour guide, and another day the group going to Westminster Abbey, and inside the Abbey there is restriction. You have to divide your group, and the group maximum size not should be exceed 20 people. So 45 people should be divided. So the reason of this video, I would like to show how to divide this set to 3 different groups. First of all, this bag contains everything you need. So you've got here transmitters, receivers, headphones, and spare batteries. Let's start with the back of the bag. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 45 headphones. They're not single use. You must return them to us. They've been sanitized. They're very good quality. And also we've got here the small pocket where is another 1 spare headphone. 95% you don't need batteries, but to be sure, just in case, we provide spare set for you. So here we have 3 transmitters. So for the first day we only need 1 transmitter, but for Westminster Abbey you need to have 3 tour guides and you need to have 3 transmitters. So here we have 45 devices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiply by 9, it's 45 here. So I show you how does it work. So these are transmitters. They currently all been preset. So what we have here, so 1 transmitter preset on channel number 1, another one channel number 8, and the third one channel number 16. Currently, all devices here, all receivers, they preset to channel number 1. Why? Because the first day they need only 1 transmitter. Only this transmitter is going to be used, and all of the group is going to be connected to this transmitter. But the second day, what is going to be happen that they need to divide the group 3 different groups. And what we need to do is just adjust, change channels for the for the receivers, which going to be with the separate groups. So for example, let's say there are 3 transmitters, 3 receivers. So this transmitter, we keep it with the transmitter which preset number channel number 1. So now we need to change channel on the receiver here. So how I can do it? Press and hold these 2 blue buttons, because why do we need to do it? There is lock here on the screen, and when it's on the screen we can not change channels. So what we need to do, press and hold these 2 blue buttons until the lock disappears, and after that we easily can change channels. So what we need to do is a change channel to number 8 here. So, and wait a little bit until lock appears here. So now the channel is changed and it's locked. So we can't change channel anymore here. And these 2 are connected right now. So this transmitter, what we did, we move it from the group which been preset to channel number 1 to the group which on the channel number 8. And as well here, press and hold, remove lock, use channel number 16 because it's on the 16, the third transmitter, waiting until lock appears here. Now we've got 3 different groups. So one group is on this channel number 1, another group is channel number 8, and another one is channel number 16. So this is very simple. Take another receiver, switch it on. And when you switch it on, lock is not here immediately, so you can change channels when you switch on device immediately. But if you wait a little bit, the lock appears here, and again, what you need to do is to press and hold these two blue buttons until the lock disappears, and then again, I can put 8 or 16, it depends which group you're going to use this transmitter. Well, this receiver. Okay. So another thing to mention is that these transmitters, they have internal microphone. If you would like to mute yourself, it's not just enough remove microphone from the jack, from the socket, because when you do it, when you remove this microphone, the clip-on microphone, when you remove it from the socket here, internal microphones start picking up and group still can hear you. So if you don't want they hear you, just use this wheel. You don't need to remove this one from the socket. Just use this wheel until the green light starts flashing. When it's flashing, nobody can hear you. So after that, when you would like to continue your tour, please don't forget return this wheel to the maximum position. Why it is? Because the group has each member of the group, each device, if each receiver has own wheel for the volume, they can adjust it themselves. So this is very important. And if you want to pause the touring, you don't need to switch this off, because if you switch your transmitter off, if you use this red button, if you switch it off now, so all receivers which been preset to channel number 16 to connected to this transmitter, in 10 minutes they automatically switched off. If you would like to keep them live, don't do that. Instead of doing that, instead of switching off your transmitter, again, use the wheel, remove it until the flashing green, and then they keep live, even for 1 hour, I don't know. And then you can return broadcasting after, when you need it. But when you finish your tour, please don't forget to switch this off, because if you do not switch it off, so all the system will alive during the night, which is not good, because they can eat batteries. So this is very important. Batteries there. It's very simple. Yeah, that's probably it. That's what I wanted to explain to you, how to divide this group. And again, if you, as I've been told, after Westminster Abbey, the group will again going to be guided by one tour guide. So you know what to do. So you don't need any more transmitter 16. Just switch it off. Remove it. You don't need it. And number 8, actually what is the best option then to merge the group to channel number 1. Instead of switching off, let's go back on. So let's say we've got here number 8, because this makes your task even easier. So let's say, so one group was on channel number 1, yes, and another group was on a channel number 8, yeah. So, and the third group was on the channel number 16. All right. So now we need to merge the group again. So we finish with Westminster Abbey. So, and we stick to channel number 1. So all receivers must be returned to channel number 1. What we can do, if you can see, it's currently 8 here, 8 here, 8 here, and on the transmitter 8 as well. We should use these blue buttons to remove the lock. Then we choose channel number 1. We wait until lock appears, and when it's happened, automatically these receivers which been preset to channel number 8, they automatically change to channel number 1. So they now with this group. But after that, you need to switch this transmitter off, Because if you keep two transmitters together with the same channel, they go into conflict to each other. So if you see they're not going to be work correctly, you can only use one channel, one transmitter at the time. So if you use same channel, so if you see two same channels, they're not going to work. But if you switch it off one, now you can use this transmitter, and all group is connected to, again, to channel number 1. Right? Thank you so much once more time, and have a nice time in London.